Hello, I'm George Cannon from Spider Holster. I'm going to show you how to install a SpiderPro holster and pad on a ThinkTank steroid belt. To do the installation, you're going to need a #1 Phillips head screwdriver. Once your ThinkTank belt is adjusted to your waist size, simply locate the position of the holster where you're going to want to use it. It's going to fit on the outer, stiffer layer of the ThinkTank belt. Turn the belt over, and you'll see 2 screws that go through the tension spring and the pad exposed on the back side. You're going to use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove these screws. Once you've taken the screws out, keep the pad in place, remove the tension spring, and slide it in between the outer and inner layers of the belt and underneath the belt clip, which extends over the top portion of the belt until the spring is back in place. Now you're going to reinstall the screws back through the tension spring and into the pad. This will keep the pad and the holster captive on the belt. You'll screw these down until they're nice and snug. Don't over tighten. You can see the clip and the belt clip and the tension spring now have the holster captive on the belt. Flip the holster and the belt back over. Now you're going to attach the Velcro strips. These are attached like so, and will wrap around the ears of the pad in order to secure the pad. This keeps the holster from rocking back and forth while you're walking and carrying your camera. Keeps everything secure. Now you're ready to carry your camera on a Spider holster.